Good morning, it's Saturday morning. You're here at the Bridget Berry Home Store where we come to you every Saturday morning for your design and decorating tip. So today, what are we talking about? We're gonna talk about pillows. How do you get your pillows to be fluffy and big, like a designer, like a big puffy pillow? Well, there's a trick to this and I'm gonna show you how you do it. So all of the pillows come in certain sizes. They're usually, 12, 18, sometimes 16, 20, 22. But the trick is when you do the forms, now there are different forms. You can use down, like this one is down. There's a poly. There's also an alternate down. The trick to getting a puffy pillow, now this is Bridget Berry's secret, right? Well, not so much, but is to take, if you have a 20-inch form, you put a 22-inch insert in it, and that gives you the puffy feel. Now that'll even work with the poly because there's nothing worse than like a, flat limp pillow, right? So this one is a 20-inch and we put a 22-inch form in it, and look how big and puffy